Guys, today we're gonna be working on this 2019 Toyota Camry SE. We're gonna be swapping out these regular LEDs to these Lasfit high-powered bright white LEDs for the backup camera. Not backup camera, reverse lights. So it's gonna be in this little spot right here. I already put one right here. I will be putting the other one. I'll show you how to. First of all, you're gonna start with removing these little clips along the deck lid cover. They're gonna have these little pop-up clips. Remove them. This will be dangling out. I already did one side. I'm gonna do the other side for you to see how it's done. So first you grab the LED you're gonna actually put in, and you go right here. It's gonna be this little connector here. You gotta loosen it up till it pops out. Oop. Fighting me a little bit here. Give me a second. It's actually a little stuck here. Let's actually disconnect the plug. Just turn this, and it should. There we go. So it should pop out. It has little ridges, so you gotta turn it around. After that, you replace it. Okay, so once you replace it with the new bulb, you can do everything in reverse basically. You can end up putting it back in here. It's just sitting there. Twist it into place. That should be it. And plug it back in. Once you do the other side, make sure you put the clips all in, and you should be done. Once you do put the lights, as you can see, LEDs are on. When in reverse, it's pretty bright. So have fun. Thank you.